hang on a second. Just kind of hums, I think. Right. We're using the Frogotter education system, and today we are doing E004 night and day. And my special guest is a giraffe! A very tall giraffe. You're going to need to sit down or we won't be able to see you in the camera though. That's a good giraffe. Okay.
I was sitting down.
Now the equipment we need for this is the globe, a window, which is over there, out of shot, but you should be able, yeah, I think you can see the shadows cast by the window, which is good enough, and the calendar. Okay, now during the day, the Earth rotates, so can you find where you live on the globe?
Now, where is... Should we do our actual location?
Yeah, let's do where we live, not where giraffes normally live.
Why?
Well, because you're here. Let's do where you actually are, giraffe.
I'm a bit off London.
That's right, yeah, we're a little bit north of London. I don't know if we can see it. But anyway, that's where we live, slightly north of London. And east, actually. Okay, the next activity says we're going to pretend that the window over there is the sun. If you can, turn off any other lights. I've done that. Hold the globe so that where you live is pointing at the sun. Okay. Now, it is daytime where you live. Turn the globe. Now, it should turn to the east.
It's getting stared at by a humongous giraffe.
If you turn the globe, then where you live is facing away from the sun. And now it is night time where you live.
Now,
Could you,
a massive giraffe.
okay, giraffe, if you can move a little bit further back this way. Giraffe, you're sliding out of shot, so come a little bit further back. That's it. It's a bit different when we're doing it with the camera, isn't it? We want not just us to be able to see the globe, we want the camera to be able to see the globe
My head
too.
has turned into the world.
Okay, now it is night time where we live because we're here pointing away, and you can
It's
see.
still nighttime.
You can see that this side is in shadow and that side is lit up. Okay. Now it says get out the calendar and set the clock to 9 o'clock. So here's the calendar.
Is a long hand or short hand? What's the hour hand?
The hour hand is the shorthand, so we want to point the hour hand, the shorthand, which is also blue, at 9 for 9 o'clock. Good. And what's o'clock? What should the minute hand point to? Brilliant! The minute hand points to the 12. I think people can see that. Brilliant. Okay. Now, can you try to hold the globe and show what 9 in the morning might look like? Oh, you've turned it upside down. That's not quite it. Okay, so what might 9 in the morning look like? Remember that we're here.
So a bit like this.
Yes, that's right. So it's just beginning to turn into the day. Yeah, because
The earth is turning! What's happening?
now can we set the globe to 10 o'clock? Can you set the globe to 10 o'clock? We're now going to pretend it's 10 o'clock at night. So can you set the globe to 10 o'clock at night? Obviously, in the real world, all good giraffes and children are in bed by 10 o'clock at night. But I think we can imagine what it might look like. So what...
Maybe we should make it Friday, or maybe the actual date, which is Sunday.
Okay. Could you possibly turn the globe? Turn the globe so that, remember we live here, we're pointing the right way for 10 o'clock at night.
Quite a bit far from the sun.
You've got it, it's going to turn into morning quite soon if you hold it like that, isn't it? Because we're here and it's turned eastward. So it'd be morning quite soon. So I think it might be a bit further back like this because we've got quite a few hours of night left at 10 o'clock. So maybe like that. Yeah?
Now it's turning and turning and turning and turning.
Now it says we can take it in turns to set the clock and turn the globe. So do you want to pick a time? And I'll turn the globe to show it. You've got to say if it's morning or night time. No, a time, not a season. We're doing night and day today. The seasons is a different activity. Oh, I'm going to hold your drink.
Can you see what I'm doing, watchers?
So what have you got? What time are you trying to show? 4 o'clock. Is that 4 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the afternoon?
In the afternoon.
4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's very good. Okay, so in that case, Where's my globe? It's going to be almost sunset, so I'm going to turn it like this, so that it's almost time for it to turn back into dark. Yeah? Okay, my turn. I'm going to set one for you. This is quite a challenge now. You ready?
Yep. Oh no, it's not
12 noon, middle of the day. How should the globe be pointing? It's upside down again. Okay, remember where we live?
Do we live here or here or here?
We still live here. So how would that be pointing for the middle of the day? Sun's at its highest. Oh, giraffe, this way, so you're not out of shot. That's it. Remember,
Right.
you're trying to show me and all the people. That's it! Directly at the sun for noon. That's brilliant, because noon, middle of the day, is when the sun is at its highest. Well done.
Tiny owls hooting now.
Thank you for joining us. I hope that we'll see you again.